random ingredients in the fridge. It's like, you know, Wednesday, very big week. And now I just want to watch something on Netflix and chill. And this is a really great recipe. Is that sometimes the pumpkin is like really sweet and really delicious. And sometimes the pumpkin is like, nah. When I peel pumpkin, right, I just run the knife down like this and making sure my fingers are flat. I don't curl anything over, yeah? Just into chunks. Just cut it up roughly. I cut it quite thin so it cooks quicker. True story. And now all of this, okay, besides that coconut milk, is going to go into this pot. Even the Kaffir lime leaves as well. Now you want about a litre of water. I'm very happy today. I feel like the universe is working for me, not against me. Salt and pepper. It's like the building blocks of flavour, and I love how my salt and pepper is just here. This is beautiful. It's rested, it's settling in. I've kept the lid on, I haven't touched anything. And now I want to take the Kaffir lime leaves out, chuck them in the compost bin, and add the coconut milk and the lime juice, and then we're going to blend it. Okay, it smells just delicious. So now we're going to blend this, all of it, into here. A few little chili flakes. You don't have to, it's optional.
Are you ready?
Can, if you want to, if you have it, a little bit of sesame oil, just a little bit. And that's it. Yum. So midweek special, this one. This is kind of a cheats version, but what's really cool about it is it's user-friendly and it's done with really simple ingredients. And there's a very cool technique to French onion soup, and that is getting the onions down to this like sexy, golden, caramelizing situation of glory is what we need to get it down to, which is a whole technique in itself. So I've got some sliced onions, around about a kilo?
A kilo, yeah.
Which de-sliced in the food processor, right? I know, right? So you didn't have to do it by hand. You just on the slicing blade of the food processor, which is freaking genius. Hello. I've got some fresh thyme. I've got some white wine. I've got some garlic, and I've got some miso paste. And I've got my water here, and I've got this really sexy loaf of bread. Let me just uncover this for you. Dee got me this today. Look at this. All right. So the first thing we're going to do, everybody, is we're going to get a pot and put it on the stove. You want high heat. What? He came and did a close up. He was like, oh, what's in there? Oh my God. A really good splash. So have a look at this. Now the aim of the game is to completely get these onions to be completely caramelized. And I don't mean dark brown, but I mean brown. That smells like meat.
That smells like me.
That smells like meat.
And now we need to open the doors.
Holy shit, open the doors. Open the doors, everybody, open the doors. So the whole house is actually smelling like onions. It's like insane. We've had to open up all the doors, but check this out. This is when your thyme goes in And I'm not going to sit here and take these baby leaves off the stem. I'm just going to grab a good handful like this. I'm just going to bless it like this. And it's going to go straight into there. And now goes my garlic, which is I'm going to grate straight in. Yum, how good is that smelling? Now I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, just a little. And my miso paste. Why didn't I add salt? Because miso is quite salty. So that's going to go straight into there. Now have a look at this, comma. Yeah, it does, hey. Oh my God, it's really good. It's really important to taste your food. That kind of beginning, middle, and the end, you know what I mean? So a little bit longer. This has been like 30 minutes so far. See how that's brown? It's still not burnt. See how it's picking it up? All that dark stuff. Oh my God, the alcohol is intense. Just picking it, this is called deglazing, right? Oh my God, it's just picked that all up. Can you believe it? Like all that delicious, crunchy, full of flavour, concentrated. Oh my God. Sorry, it's just a moment. It's really emotional. It's all gone and I just stayed with it. And this is all you got to do. I'm going to add this water. Okay, watch this. See how that's gone?
Yep.
It's not really the time to have it, but it's the time to taste it. Is that my phone? Sorry about that. Hi, it's me. Oh, it's my mate Rochelle wondering where her naan bread is. Oh, that tastes good. This is bubbling away beautifully. Tastes amazing. Now with my bread, because we don't have any gruyere cheese, is that how you say it? Gruyere? Gruyere. I am just going to baste this glory bread with some garlic, grated salt and pepper and some olive oil and just brush it on here. That's what I love to do. It's like garlic bread. And I'm just toasting that garlic side. Have a look at that. Have a look at this soup. This is where shit's getting real right now. That is maple good. It's not sesame seed oil. It has happened before, trust me. Just half a teaspoon. Nothing extravagant, everybody. Don't freak out. Turn off the power. And this beauty's gonna come over here. You know those stalks of thyme? I'm kind of sifting around them because we don't want to have a stalk of thyme in there, do we? All for you at home. Something done with the most simplest ingredients in the whole world. I'm going to sit down and have a big slurp of this. Okay, this is gorgeous. Simple, quick, easy, great for the winter months. Like if you're in the winter months around the world somewhere, this is your gig. Really easy ingredients. I mean, check it out. So, small pot. Gungun's behind the camera today. Hello, Gungun.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. So coriander and pieces is something you can cook, Gungun, because you're a bachelor. But that's cool. Just gonna cut those ends off. Okay. Okay, right into here. Really simple, huh? And then the coconut milk into there. And then we definitely want some salt and pepper, because of the building blocks of flavour, right? This is what's going to pull out flavour. How easy is this? So, straight on to the heat. I am going to need a lid because this will bring it to the boil longer. So coconut milk, right? Not coconut cream. So this has come to the boil, as you can see. It's bubbling away and it's actually bubbled over, which is kind of awesome. And I'm going to cook it for
probably 5 minutes boiling, turn it off, let it rest for a minute, and then we're gonna blend it. Really simple, right? I know, it kind of shocks me a bit how quick it is. Straight into here. High speed, I want it to be creamy and smooth. I don't want texture. You can have texture if you like, I don't. I particularly want it to be delicious and creamy and smooth, but you do what you like. Come on, get off, yes. So you don't have to make it all the time, but it's so simple, right? Oh my goodness, it's just, I'm salivating thinking about it. I mean, you could put chili in it if you wanted to. It's just decadent, it's the peas. The peas, I tell you, the peas. Okay, straight into your bowl. And just a little sprinkle of some lovely green garden chili. Enjoy. I'm gonna eat this. This is my lunch. And it's thick. Look at the color of it. It's like fake, right? Oh man, it is just